Hi guys, my name is Edmund and this channel and this video is about some useful expressions, actually about some useful and the most common English proverbs about animals. And before we start, mates, don't forget to hit the notifications to find out a lot more useful stuff. Check the links down below, and of course subscribe to my channel and like this video. So let's get straight into it. And the first one is curiosity killed the cat. If you say curiosity killed the cat, it means actually that you think that other person want to know too much, and that is dangerous. That it is dangerous to know this, to know that thing. Dog eat dog. Right, guys. Dog eat dog means, no. Dog eat dog means it can be used like a noun. It can be used like an adjective. This is depends on the context. Let's say, for example, this school dog eat dog is dog eat dog, yeah. Dog eat dog. This school is dog eat dog area because every pupil in this school is actually ready for everything, to do everything for achieving good grades. So this is school, which is dog eat dog area, which is dog eat dog school basically. This is dog eat dog. For example, business is always online business or something. For example, online business is dog eat dog industry. For example, film business, Hollywood and American. For example, film business is dog eat dog industry because everyone is ready to do everything to achieving more money, for achieving more power, and to become more stronger, to become actually stronger, not more stronger, to become stronger in this industry, to become to have more power and that kind of stuff. So let's moving on to the next expression, and it is I've forgotten what it is, but we will find out. Have more lives than a cat. Have more lives than a cat. This is the nice one, isn't it? Write down in the comments below. So I want to see your opinion. I want to write your comments and give kind of advice from you, actually. So dog eat dog, but dog eat dog is the second expression. Have more lives than a cat. Have more lives than a cat. Let's tell a story about my school. Yeah, I have a friend of mine who studied with me at school, and all pupils of our school, all pupils of the 9th grade, was scared of our physics teacher. Tell you some information about our English, about our physics teacher. And she is actually very rather strict and disciplined person. He is rather demanding person. She is a rather demanding person too. But for example, when you just turn left or right on 5 degree, you have already been dead. You have already been cooked. Yeah, this is the trick about our physics teacher. She's very disciplined person. She requires everything. She requires a lot of effort of the pupils too, of or the pupils of everybody. She requires just vastly effort of everybody. But this is the good thing, isn't it? So once my friend writing down something in his notebook when he shouldn't write anything, and then my teacher walked near him. Then his back has been empty, has been already empty. All his clothes, all of his notebooks, all of his books, notebooks, pencils, that kind of stuff, were on the floor. And then he was kicked out. But the thing is that he was a lot awake. He was actually very calm and began to discuss this problem with our physics teacher. And this is what this is a good sign. This actually means that he has more lives than a cat, because our physics teacher is very strong, is very powerful, is very disciplined person. He's very rather strict and requires of everyone a lot of effort and a lot of hard work. But he stayed calm and collected, calm and collected, and began to discuss this problem with our physics teacher. So he has more lives than a cat. He is a very brutal and strong person. Yeah. So after that, we've passed three expressions. We've passed already three expressions of the most common English proverbs about animals. So let's move on to the next one. The fourth expression is like a cat on hot bricks. If you feel like a cat on hot bricks, it means that you are uncomfortable. It means that you are anxious about something. For example, I'm looking forward to know what my test result is. So I like a cat on hot bricks. Yeah. So the fifth expression is there is more than one way to skin a cat, or / there is more than one way to kill a cat. It basically means that there are more opportunities to do something else, to do certain kind of thing. For example, I have solved a problem. I've solved the physics problem, and my teacher said to me, Edmund, there is more than one way to kill a cat, or there is more than one way to skin a cat. And this basically means actually that there is more opportunity to do that. There is more opportunities to solve this problem, and the result will be the same. Yeah. So it means basically there are many ways to achieve the same goal. Yeah. How, for example, the physics problem. Yeah. The physics problems, or maybe math problems, or maybe other things. For example, at work, your boss says that, mate, you should do this in another way. You should do this, but not that kind of way. But not try to do that again. But try to do new something new and to get the same result, yeah? And this is the trick, I reckon, to be successful. Because if you don't try to do something, if you don't try to, for example, if you don't try actually to do something in another kind of way, you won't be professional in this area. Shall we be professional in this area? Right? In the comments below. So this was 5 idioms, 5 the most common English expressions or idioms or whatever you call it, and this is the end of the main part. Let's move on to the next part of this video. Alright guys, that's all today, and at the end of the day I should say you to be healthy, stay healthy, be positive, and of course be alert and awake, calm and collected, and this is it actually. I'll see you in the next videos, in the next video, or maybe videos. Who knows? Who cares? This is actually very ridiculous, isn't it? Yeah. I repeat myself again, but no other way, I reckon it's... I repeat myself again, but so anyway, my friends, thank you for watching, peace, bye bye, and I'll see you soon.